Are you tired of tangled dash cam wires cluttering your dashboard? Or worse, constantly worrying if your car is truly protected when you're not around? What if I told you there's a simple, elegant solution to both? Today, we're diving deep into a true game changer, the Gebildet Dash Cam Hardwire Kit. This isn't just about recording your drives. It's about extending your car's security far beyond when you're behind the wheel. The Gebildet Kit unlocks the full potential of your dash cam, providing crucial 24-hour surveillance. Imagine walking away from your vehicle, knowing your dash cam is actively monitoring, ready to capture any bumps, scrapes, or suspicious activity, even when the engine is off. If your dash cam supports parking mode, and many modern ones do, this kit ensures it has a consistent, reliable power supply, preventing its internal battery from dying prematurely. This means true, round-the-clock protection for your vehicle, offering unparalleled peace of mind wherever you park, whether it's at home, work, or in a busy parking lot. No more wondering, just constant vigilance. Now, I know what many of you are thinking, but won't constant power drain my car battery? That's where the Gebildet Kit truly shines with its intelligent low-voltage protection. This isn't just a simple power adapter. It's a smart guardian for your car's starting power. This clever circuit automatically monitors your car's battery voltage, and once it dips below a safe, preset threshold, 11.6V for 12V systems or 23.2V for 24V, it instantly cuts power to the dash cam. This ingenious feature guarantees you'll always have enough juice to ignite your engine, eliminating that dreaded feeling of a dead battery. It's an essential layer of protection, ensuring your dash cam's vigilance never comes at the expense of your car's reliability or your daily commute. Let's talk about installation, because often, that's the part that makes people hesitant. But with the Gebildet Hardwire Kit, it's surprisingly straightforward and incredibly clean. Say goodbye to unsightly wires dangling from your cigarette lighter socket. This kit allows for a permanently hidden, professional-looking setup. They've even thought of everything, including sticky pads and a handy pry bar to help you neatly tuck away those leads into your car's internal seams, creating a factory-installed look. And talk about wide compatibility. With 4 different fuse adapters included, low-profile mini, ATO, normal, and micro 2. This kit is designed to fit almost any car, truck, or SUV on the road today. Plus, with a generous 3.2 meter, that's 13 feet, cable, a stable 5V/2.5A Type-C USB output, and support for 12V, 24V input, it's ready for virtually any dash cam or radar detector you throw at it, making it incredibly versatile. So, if you're ready to elevate your dash cam experience from a simple recording device to an indispensable 24/7 security system, to gain true peace of mind, and to finally banish those messy cables while intelligently protecting your car's battery, the Gebildet Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is the essential upgrade you've been waiting for. It's not just an accessory, it's an investment in security, aesthetics, and pure driving convenience. Don't leave your car's safety and your peace of mind to chance any longer. Take control. Find the link to purchase this incredible kit, along with more details